Hi everybody, how are you? Today I teach you do some short noodle. We make the Chinese short noodle. I had used the red starch and white flour and put little some the salt and oil in, and now I show you how much to use it. Okay, use the wet starch 1 cup. Put 3/4 white flour inside, mix it together, and little salt and 1/40 salt put in, and then the oil we put the 1 tablespoon, put in together, a big tablespoon. Okay, 1.5 cup hot water. We mix it, and then we put some in. Okay, now we use the hand and put it together. This size is enough for 4 to 6 people eat. And then we put in, stay about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, when he sit the 10 minutes, we go to cut the vegetable or meat. We have long green onion and and curry, bean star, and barbecue pork, dark soy sauce, and sesame oil, and white pepper, and 1 egg, and sugar. We have cut like that. Now I cut the onion. Okay, I cut. Now I kill the curry. Now this skin I threw away. Now we cut the strip, okay, like the stick now. The green onion, cut in half like that, like this inch. Okay, everything I cut already. Green bean, onion, barbecue pork. Now I make a sauce. This soy sauce, I use 1 teaspoon and dark soy sauce, I use it 1 tablespoon. And little sesame oil, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and some white pepper and sugar, 1.5 tablespoon sugar. Now we make the short noodle. We had used the frying pan and then this one steam the short noodle first. The water is full up to this boiling day. High temperature to boil the water. Now we go to make the short noodle. Put some oil in the pan. Okay, now we make a short noodle now. Make a long stick. The size, okay? Now, this is short noodle. We have put some oil. We make already. Now going to steam. Now the hot water is ready. We put this in, okay? And steam about 10 minutes. When 10 minutes finish, we close the fire and let them inside about 2 minutes. Don't open the top. We take them out and put in the cold water. We take off the water. We use this one. It's good now. We're going to fry them. Make the egg. Little salt, put in the egg. Use the high temperature. Put the egg in. Finish it like that, and we put the egg in the bowl and put some oil. We fry this onion. some cold water. Now, I think him is soft now. See, it's soft now. Okay? Onion, I put on. You see the onion change the color, and put bean spread in together. Barbecue pot, put in together. Put that in the bowl. Put the oil in. We put the noodle in. We put some inside. Now we put back all this together. The sauce is all put in. Now I put the egg in. Close the fire and then put in the pie paste. Okay, ready, go to try. Okay, finish it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Do you want to try it?